Welcome to your ultimate guide on finding messages effortlessly in Telegram's desktop app. Whether you're tracking down an old recipe, a crucial work link, or that hilarious meme your friend sent last week, Telegram's latest update makes searching smoother than ever. Let's jump right into the steps. First, fire up the Telegram app on your computer. You'll land on your chats list, where all your conversations are neatly organized. Look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll spot a search bar with a subtle magnifying glass icon. This is your gateway to digging through months or even years of messages in seconds. Click that search bar and watch as a drop-down menu instantly appears. Here's where Telegram's new filters shine. You'll see options like chats, media, files, and more. For this search, we'll focus on chats. Select it to scan through text messages across all your conversations. Now type your keyword. Let's say you're hunting for a message about team meeting notes. As you type, Telegram dynamically filters results, showing relevant matches in real time. You'll notice the app highlights your keyword in each preview, making it easy to skim. Scroll through the list. Results aren't just limited to one chat. Telegram scans every conversation, group, or channel where that phrase appears. Found what you needed? Click the message, and Telegram whisks you straight to that exact point in the chat. No endless scrolling. No frustration, just the message you wanted, highlighted for clarity. But what if you need to narrow things down? Say you recall the message was from a specific group. Before typing your keyword, switch to that chat first. The search will then focus solely on that conversation, saving you time. Telegram's search isn't just functional, it's smart. Try searching for dates like March 15th or phrases like dinner plans. You'll be surprised how accurately it pinpoints even vague references. And with the new update, results load faster, with smoother navigation between matches. That's all it takes. 3 simple steps: open, click, search, and you're done. Whether you're a casual user or a power organizer, this feature is a game changer. Say goodbye to lost messages and hello to efficiency. Happy searching.